All right, what is one of the #1 problems with Jeeps? And it's all those plastic pieces, the handles, the mirror, in this case, well, powder coated fender flares. They all fade out. So let's take a look. And I'm gonna show you a product that, this is my power wash, right? But look how gray that is. That's even, that tire's even kind of not perfectly black. Look how gray that is. Let's look at some more. Look how gray that is. I mean, against this red, and you know, with this camera, sometimes it makes stuff look great, but look at this. Look at this fade. That's totally faded. This is even dirty here. So I washed this truck up. Look at this light. See the fade? It's not very clean. It's kind of meh. Well, look at the light on the other side. So I treated this with a product. It's not Armor All. Look at that. Now that is shine that we're seeing. This is actually pitch black right there. You see, if I create some shadow here, you'll see how that is perfect. So you know how Armor All, it's going to be gone in no time. This is blacker than Armor All. Look at that Oracle light. Now this is an aftermarket light, but same thing. Look at this fender. This was just chalky, totally done. Someone would go take this to the shop to get it repowder coated or painted. Look how black that is. Again, it's shiny. Look at this. This was brutal. And so was this. I did this side, so look how nice that is. Black, black, black. It looks like I just got it powder coated again. I didn't do it here, okay? Everybody with a Gladiator, everybody with a Jeep, this is gonna fade, this is gonna fade. So let me show you what product I'm using. I did this. This looks amazing. It's black again. The mirror, it's black again. Here's to give you an idea. I did a strip right here. There we go. See how the light can play with the shine? That looks like it's brand new painted. That's faded. That's me washing it, soap, everything, even using, like, you know, turtle mothers, anything you can think of. Not gonna help you. See how faded that is? Look how black that is. So this is the product. I'm gonna have a link in my description below for the best price to get it. So I've got the professional kit. You don't need the professional kit unless you got a lot of trim pieces to do. But in the professional kit, you put a glove on. That's a clear glove. I've got my little sponge applicator. Now watch. You don't want to touch your paint with it, so you want to be careful. Okay, so I've applied it. So that's the fade. See how faded that is? And that's black. Wow. So, and on my powder coating, you can see here, it looks great. I didn't do this inside piece yet. Let's just do this lower part. Look at that. It's amazing. I've been using this product for years, so I've already got a video. It went viral recently on how, and I did it on a Honda, you know, between the windshield and the hood. Not that Honda, another Honda. I'm trying to remember. Oh, this one here. I did it on this one, and I haven't washed this car since, like maybe months and months. But it's this section here. So you see this? This is just dusty. Usually these go super faded. This is black as black can be. Yep. So that's the car I did it to. That video's got, like, I don't know, 100 and something thousand views, and people discovering that this product will just take your powder coat, your plastic. You always want to test an area, right? So here I'd look at this and say, is it going to work on this? Yes. Look at that. Now, this is a Genrite bumper. Fades. Let me show you something else. Baja design. So this, I don't have to do it. This is an aluminum piece. It's pretty brand new. Don't have to do it yet. That looks perfect. This light up here, I wish I didn't do it, because this is a new light. It had to be warranted by Baja. They're pretty awesome with that. And this light is an old one. It was faded. So I've just applied the product to it. As you know, these lights get faded out and kind of funky. Look at that. That's going to protect it. So those of you who maybe want to try to send in your lights under warranty, like, hey, it faded, just go get the Cerakote. It comes with wipes. You can also apply it with the sponge if you get the professional kit. And you see with the sponge I can get in all those little nooks and crannies. It looks brand new again. Oh, I love it. Here I did, this is faded, and I finished this side. So let's see. Let me just go black, faded, black. It's phenomenal. Oh, this. Let's try this. So hard to see in that reflection. I should be doing this when the light is different, but same thing. It's going to work here. It's going to make these look amazing again. All right. Oh yeah, it's going to be black again versus that nasty fade. Oh, especially up here, right? So let's just do this section. Voila. Yep. All right. I'm also on Instagram if you want to follow. This is the Big Red Gladiator on Instagram. It's very capable. It's got an LS3 supercharged Whipple in there, double throwdown, triple bypass. Yep, the works. So pretty awesome. This before was just faded on the side. It looks all black again. This side I haven't done yet, so let's just look how crappy it looks. It looks old. It looks old and faded. Once I do all that, I'm gonna have to get new Rotopacks because those Rotopacks look faded. All right, one last look. Faded, faded, refreshed, refreshed. Like it looks like it's powder coated. I hope the camera does it justice in this lighting. But again, I found this product about 3 years ago. I put it on a kick plate on the back of a LX 570, kind of like that Land Cruiser. And because it was completely grayed out, totally faded. I did half of it. And I sold that car this past September. So it was probably on the car for 2 years almost. And 2 years later, it was still, I never did the whole kick plate. I did it halfway. My wife didn't like that. It was gray on one side, black on the other. So definitely an awesome product. So thanks for watching. Look at the description below. Get yourself your own Cerakote and make your Jeep look amazing again, right? Let's make America great again, right? With Cerakote and all those Jeeps. All right, this is the professional. So this will last me a long time. This is the, I used all 10 wipes. It's like about 16, 17 bucks for that. This is gonna be a lot more. I believe it's 49 or 59. I'll also put that, it's a link to Amazon where I've already kind of curated and put the products in an easy, quick menu for you to look at and purchase. Get it right away and have the detailing of your life on your vehicle. Oh, this truck looks new again. This is a 2020 and this looks new. I even did these pieces. This piece was faded. All right, I digress. Thanks for checking it out. Subscribe to the channel. I've got a whole bunch of detail tips and ideas for you. So I like to share all that and the products that I find over time. Only the best products, only the ones that work fantastic, like this Cerakote. All right, happy trails. Till next time.